everyone, my name is Rita Mayor. Nice to meet you again. In this moment, I'm going to talk about luxury and the nature. First, the nature. In my personal opinion, the pollution is very negative for the people and the world because the garbage in the streets, the lake, the river, and the beach is very negative for the oxygen. If you clean the streets every day, you will be better. If you clean the beach, you will swim relaxing. If you don't burn, you will be breathe easier. It's very complicated for us, kids and old person. It's very negative and for the world. Second, luxury. The most popular in my country luxury item is cell phone and a bird computer. Exactly, because it has much capacity and technology in Maracaibo. It's very necessary for the communication with another people. The cell phone are designed by China and United States. The strategy is published by the company and is very important and necessary for the communication and the flyers and the weight, the marketed and flyers, banner and Instagram, Twitter and other website. Thank you.